Hey guys, this is Yana, and today I'm with my friend,
Hayden!
And today she's gonna get her hair straightened. This is terrifying. Now her hair is all blown out. So now it's time to make her hair flat with the flat iron.
Like my hair's gonna be straightened all the way down, like right here. Because I wish that my hair was that long. Keep it like this. Keep it like this. I like it.
So we got something.
Girl side, turn this way.
Girl side and what side is this?
It's not done, undone side. That's what it
How'd you like straighten your hair, hey babe?
It was real good.
Were you scared?
A little bit. But I'm glad that I got my hair all straightened. I love my hair so much.
So I thought you wanted your hair straight like this.
Well, someday I'll take out these curls.
Here's some tips that you can use to help keep your hair straight. Number 1, don't wear your hair down the first day or second day. Keep it away from the ear.
Or it will take out the curls.
Number 2,
Or bend when you work out so your hair won't get mixed up
from the sweat. Number 3, when you take a bath, don't get your hair wet or it'll take away all your curls.
You have to start all over again, and then it will be just hard.
Number 4, when you go to bed, you have to put your hair in a pineapple. Put your hair in a bun on top. Number 6, when it rains, make sure you wear a hat for your hair to be curly. A big hat. Number 7, optional. You put a little oil in your hair on the ends only.
We had a great day today.
I hope you guys enjoyed these tips, and press the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up if you like it.
And hope you like this video. Love you guys. Bye.
Bye. We did it.